Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very easy, very simple and very natural tutorial. So this is my everyday routine, my everyday natural look. So it takes very little products, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is applying our moisturizer. So I use the Acne moisturizer. A little bit goes a long way. So then we're going to go in with our foundation. So today I'll be using the Maybelline foundation. I like to apply a little on my hand and then take from there, so it's easy. And you don't need a lot of foundation for this look because it's very natural and easy and simple. This foundation is actually it's very nice. It's full coverage. So we're gonna make this look as simple as possible because my everyday routine is very simple and natural. So next we're gonna go in with our concealer. I'm using the Pro Concealer Girl. This brightens up the places we applied it. So then we're going to set our concealer with our translucent powder. So because this is a very natural look, I do not bake my translucent, I just apply it there. So it sets in the concealer. So then I'm going to take my Girl Pro Face Powder. And I'm going to set the rest of my face. So now it's time for eyebrows. So I'm going to take my spoolie, I'm just going to set my ears in place. So now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to do my eyebrow. Very lightly. You just go with your brow shape. Then I'm going to take my eyebrow powder and I'm going to set it. So now I'm going to clean my eyebrows. Now I'm going to set my brow with my brow gel. So I'm going to apply a very little bit of bronzer just to give my face some color. Now I'm just going to contour my nose very lightly. I'm going to blend it out. And that's fine. Now I'm going to apply some blush. This is really optional. If I have time, then I'll do it, but otherwise I won't. You really don't have to do this. Okay, then we're going to blend everything out. So now I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm going to do my wing eyeliner by Girl. So this is also really optional. Some days I'll put it and some days I won't. So for this tutorial I'm just going to put it. Very simple. I put a very small wing because it's very simple look. It's not like the crazy ones I usually put. So I'm going to use my mascara. This mascara is from Maybelline. So the last part, actually second last part, is highlights, so very little bit. That's fine. So now I'm gonna go into my nude lipstick. Some days I'll put, some days I wouldn't put. So this is actually nude. It's a very nice color. I'm gonna use my brush. And that's it. So I'll put some of my setting spray, and this is basically the look. So this is my everyday routine, very simple. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So you don't have to use a lot of products for this look. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I really appreciate all the love and support that I'm getting. So I forgot to mention in the beginning, I did say that I'm going to tell you guys why I changed my channel name from KG to Krims All-in-One channel. So the reason why I did that was because I figured that people are finding it very hard to find KG alone. So I had to make it more easier for people. So that is the reason why I did change my channel name. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So this is my very simple everyday routine, and yeah. yeah, it's very easy. I would love you guys to try it out. Please stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and be part of the family. I will see you guys in my next video.